In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workspaces in Monday.com. Workspaces are the home base for your boards, docs, dashboards, and folders, and they're perfect for separating departments, clients, or projects. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set things up, how to keep them tidy, and how to recover items if something goes missing. Start by opening Monday.com and signing into your account. From the left sidebar, click Workspaces. This is your top-level view of everything you can access, so think of it as your map for organizing and navigating your account. Next to any workspace name, click the three dots to open its menu, then choose Manage Workspace. This is your control center for settings and structure. Inside, hover over Edit Workspace to reveal quick options. Select Rename Workspace if you want to update the title. Choose a clear, consistent name that matches how your team talks about the work, like marketing or Q1 planning. While you're here, change the icon to a distinct color or a simple symbol. A strong visual cue makes it faster for teammates to spot the right space, especially in a long list. Back in the Workspace menu, use Sort Workspace to clean up how items appear. Sorting brings predictability, so new team members aren't hunting for the right board. Many teams add simple naming conventions or prefixes to make alphabetical sorting even more effective. The goal is to make the order obvious at a glance. When you're ready to create a new area, click Add New Workspace. Type a name that's simple and memorable, and avoid internal acronyms that outsiders or new collaborators might not recognize. Then choose Privacy. Pick the visibility that fits your situation, whether it should be broadly accessible to your account, limited to selected members, or restricted for sensitive work. You can adjust this later, but getting it right from the start reduces confusion. When everything looks good, click Add Workspace to spin it up. To see everything in one place, click Browse All Workspaces. This view makes it easy to jump between departments and confirm you have the access you need, which is especially helpful if you collaborate across multiple groups. Finally, click View Archive Trash to review items that have been set aside or removed. Use this to restore something you can't find on a board, or to permanently clear clutter according to your company's retention policy. Make it a habit to check here before rebuilding work from scratch. That's it. By using Manage Workspace, Edit Workspace, Sort Workspace, Add New Workspace, Browse All Workspaces, and the Archive or Trash, you'll keep your Monday.com account organized, secure, and easy to navigate.